buy this tea. I love this tea. I ain't getting paid no money for this. It's just a product that I use.
Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to bring you guys another detox tea. I did state in my last, well, not my last video, but about a month ago when I did the review on the ISO tea. Is it ISO? But when I did a review on the tea that pretty much went viral, the NutriBurst and all that, in that video I told you guys I was going to review another detox tea that I have used in the past that I felt that worked better than that tea. So that's what I'm coming to do, you guys. I'm coming to show you guys that tea that I have used in the past and show you how it worked for me. So here is the tea that I have used in the past. The tea is the Ballerina tea, and it's an herbal tea that I purchased off of Amazon. And I purchased it off of Amazon. It was 2 boxes, and these boxes come with like 18 teas in a box. And I got 2 boxes of these for $10.99, you guys. And this again, this is a detox tea. It's an herbal detox tea. And you guys, I love this tea because, and this one is extra strength too, you guys. I believe that they sell a less strength one, but I always get the extra strength one. But yeah, you guys, I love this tea. This is not my first time using this tea. I have used this tea in the past. And I love this tea, you guys. So in the pack, it comes like this, the little herbal tea. And pretty much you just pour it in some water. You put it in 10-ounce water, hot water. And you guys, I'm gonna probably stop this video here to show you how I make my tea.
Okay guys, so to make my tea, again, I'm using the 3 Ballerina tea. It's a herbal tea, and right here it just pretty much shows you the directions. It pretty much states that you have to put this tea to a 10-ounce cup of hot water, and this tea comes with 18 tea packs. And again guys, right now I'm using a little teacup that it's about 12 ounces, but I am going to only put 10 ounces in there. And I pretty much know how much water to use without measuring it, because I've been, again, taking this tea for a while. So I pour some water in the cup, and now I'm going to put the cup in the microwave on 2 minutes so that it can get hot. And once the tea gets hot, you guys, after 2 minutes, then I am going to go ahead and put the tea bag inside of the tea. Now you guys, it works just like, you know, drinking regular tea. As the tea settle into the hot water, the water will get darker, and I suggest you let that tea bag sit in there and let it continue to get darker, so you can make sure that you get all that tea into the water. So right now, you guys, I am going to sweeten up my tea a little bit with some honey. I usually pour about 1 tablespoon or maybe 2 tablespoons inside of my tea to kind of, you know, sweeten it up a little bit, because this tea does not have any type of flavor to it. And yeah, so once I put that, you know, honey in there, that's pretty much it. I go ahead and let my tea cool off, and then I drink it. Now you guys, please note, drinking this tea, it is a detox tea. You must drink a lot of water with this tea, you guys. Drink a lot of water.
Okay, so I showed you guys in the video how I made my tea. Like I said, I just put it in a 10-ounce water with 1 tea bag. And I also put about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of honey in it. You can have how much honey you want to, you know, to your liking. But yeah, I do put honey in there to give it a little more flavor. And you guys, I drink that tea. Usually I would do it in the morning time. I'll drink the tea, and I would say about 8 to 9 hours later, I am on the toilet. Just me and the toilet is just, yeah, we won. Yeah, me and the toilet is one. And I go and I just let my whole day out on the toilet. So you guys, this tea works better than the I feel like this tea works so much better than the ISO tea, the CBD tea or whatever it's called. I feel like it works so much better than this tea. And to be honest with you guys, this tea, it just works better for me. I take this, like I said, 8 hours later, I'm pooping. And even on this tea, I did lose weight. I'm going to put my beginning weight up there. And then I'm going to also put what I weighted after. And even, you guys, I didn't even take this tea for 5 days. I think I took it for like 4 days. And that was my weight after the 4 days. And yeah, you guys, I stand by this tea. I love this tea. I ain't getting paid no money for this. It's just a product that I use. Nobody reached out to me to review this tea or any of that. I purchased this tea with my own money. I'm just giving you guys a cheaper product that I use that can work the same as that ISO tea, and you ain't got to pay an arm and a leg for it. You hear me? So yeah, I love this tea. This tea gave me the same, I ain't gonna say the same results because it wasn't the same results. But yeah, it works just as better as that ISO tea. For as the NutriBurst stuff, you guys, all that is a goddamn multivitamin. Go to Walmart and buy you a multivitamin. Seriously. It ain't that serious to spend $114. It ain't that serious. You wanted the tea. Here's the tea. Again, it works for me. Now, you guys, it works for me. And I always have to put this disclaimer out because people are like, oh, no, look, it works for me. This is a product that I use multiple times. It worked for me. I don't know other people's body thing or what they're going through and this and that. But it works for me. And I just wanted to bring it to you guys so you can, you know, maybe try the product out if you want to. I'll definitely put the information down in the description bar. Like I said, I ain't getting paid off for this. Nobody came to me. I don't sell this product. I don't do none of that. I'm just a user and I love the product and I feel like it works for me. So yeah, you guys, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Have you ever tried this tea, or have you ever heard of this tea or anything like that? Yeah, so definitely go and, you know, out and purchase the tea if you want to. And if you purchase it and you liked it, let me know down in the comment section if you like the tea. And I think that's it, you guys. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this tea if you're gonna go out and purchase this tea. That's it, you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you can join my family, so that I can come and bring more videos like this, product review videos and other videos that you guys may think that I should review. So definitely hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you will be notified every time I come with a new video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.